In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram carousel post with Canva. If you want a clean, swipeable set of images that tell a story or break down information step by step, Canva makes it simple. We'll start from the template library, find a carousel style that fits your message, and then personalize it so each slide feels cohesive and on-brand. First, open Canva and head to the Templates section. This is your shortcut to professionally designed layouts. Templates give you a strong starting point so you don't have to design every slide from scratch. Once you're on the Templates page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Instagram carousel post into the search bar. This narrows everything down to designs built specifically for multi-page Instagram posts. You'll notice a variety of themes: minimal, bold, playful, and more. If you already have a color palette or a vibe in mind, keep that in your head as you browse. It will make your final carousel feel intentional and consistent. Now take a moment to browse through the template results. Hover over options to preview multiple pages and check how the slides flow from one to the next. Look for strong typography, plenty of breathing room, and repeatable elements like headers or accent shapes. Think about readability on a phone screen. Short headlines, clear contrast, and simple visuals usually work best. When you find a set that matches your content and tone, you're ready to jump in. Click on Customize this template. Canva will open the full multi-page design in the editor, with each slide ready for fine-tuning. You'll see the pages listed in order, so you can move between them easily. From here, you can edit the template to match your content. Replace placeholder text with your own copy, keeping headlines short and scannable. Update fonts to align with your brand, but stick to 2 or 3 typefaces for consistency. Swap colors to your palette, and if you have brand hex codes, plug them in for perfect matches. For images, drag in your own photos, or choose from Canva's library, and aim for a consistent style across slides. Use the page list to reorder slides if needed, and duplicate a slide you like to maintain a steady rhythm. Align elements so they sit in the same positions from slide to slide, which creates a smooth, professional swipe. Finally, do a quick pass for spacing, contrast, and spelling. A tidy layout and clear hierarchy will make your carousel easy to follow. And that's it. Your Instagram carousel is set up, styled, and ready for your message.